Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and I have such an exciting video to share to you guys today. We're going to be discussing how you can promote your very own NFT collection for absolutely no fee at all. Yes, you heard that right, completely for free. You can promote your very own NFT collection to thousands of people. Before we get into that, if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it would mean so much as we're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. And if you want to keep up to date with the latest and greatest online trends, make sure you hit that sub button. Alrighty, so let's get right into it. I was actually going to make a different kind of video today on how to understand what NFT collections are going to pop off and which ones you shouldn't invest in. However, that kind of changed after I got a sponsor for the video, and originally I was just going to make like a 30-second advert for it, but now I'm making an entire video on this sponsor. They didn't even pay for this entire video. I am making it just because I genuinely think that this website will help out so many of you guys watching this video. I know so many people are trying to create NFT collections on a budget, and one of the hardest things to do is promote your collection. Now, I'm assuming majority of you guys have a very small marketing budget and can't afford to pay hundreds for marketing on your sponsored posts on your favorite creators' social pages, although I do shout out NFT collections for a very small price. Business email, link in description. But that is why NFTcalendar.io is so great, because you can do all of that for free. You can get your NFT collections out there for no fees at all. So basically, NFT Calendar is your go-to guide to receive the freshest updates from the world of NFTs. It's entirely community-based and allows everyone to submit their one-of-a-kind drop for free. It's entirely ad-free and super easy to navigate. An amazing offer that NFTcalendar.io has given me, and something to give to all of you guys, my very own subscribers. If you guys list an event today that uses the keyword sauce, you'll personally get a free Twitter shout out on their Twitter account with over 5,900 followers. And as you can see, their tweets get a lot of engagement. And keep in mind, guys, this is all for free. So there's absolutely no reason why anyone watching this video who has an NFT collection should not be on this site right now and using the keyword sauce. Now, since I kind of am that tutorial guy, I'll do a basic run through of the website just so you can get familiarized with it. So this is the landing page right here where you can see all of the drops that went down today. So you have Bears versus Bulls, Piracy Punks, and so forth. You can also go to the upcoming tab, and this will show everything that is going to be dropped in the coming days. So the mass of ether, just a bunch of cool little projects. I've been looking through a few of these. I really enjoy them. And also, something I forgot to mention earlier in this video, everyone that lists an event, make sure to let me know in the comments section what your drop is called, because I'd love to purchase some of your NFTs. I kind of want to give back to the community. You guys have given me so much, so I want to give back. So let me know your drops down in the comments section, and if it's in an affordable price range for me, I'll definitely think about picking a few art pieces up. So back to the video, there's also the ongoing tab and the newest tab, and this is pretty self-explanatory. The newest drops that just came out, blah, 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 blah. It's all very, very easy to use. Now, let's say you want to list your event, which I'm assuming 99% of you guys watching this are going to do. You just want to hit the list your event button, and then you can start filling out the information as follows. So just for an example, we're going to fill out the CryptoCock joke NFT drop that I created in a video a few weeks back just to show for a tutorial, and we're going to do that again for this video just to demonstrate how everything works. Now, this is very important. Make sure you add the brackets sauce to the title of your event to ensure that you'll get the shout out on Twitter. For the tags, you can just add collectible and art if it's a collection. The chain, obviously, that's pretty self-explanatory. For my example, it's on Polygon. The event date, that's also self-explanatory. When is your event going to run? And then the rest should be pretty self-explanatory. It is so easy to navigate throughout this website. So once you've filled out all the necessary information, you just want to hit submit event, and bam, that is how easy it is to submit your event on NFT Calendar and promote your NFT collections for free. Now, it's very important that you put in the right email, because you need to check your inbox for the event status notifications. So obviously, they're not going to post everyone's event right away just because they need to verify things. But yeah, guys, that is how easy this site is to use. Like I said, I originally wasn't going to make an entire video on it, but honestly, I thought this was such a fantastic idea and something that was so needed in this community, because so many NFT collections, the art style is fantastic, but they just don't know how to promote their collections properly, or they're overpaying for sponsored posts. Like I see people paying like $500 for a sponsored post on a channel with only like 10k subscribers, and that's definitely not in anyone's price range and kind of a little steep when it comes to a sponsored post. So I highly suggest you guys use this website and make sure you use keyword sauce so you can get that free Twitter shout out and the possibility of me investing into your collection. That's gonna do it for me. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Peace. See you guys later.